I find that I like to come out here and feel like I'm in my space, my retreat. This is my therapy, to come out here and spend time, nurturing my plants and taking care of them. And so I've found over the course of time, I tend to make it kind of like another space in my home. So that's probably why the chandelier. But I tend to put some of those comforts from home that you might even see inside, my house. Because when I come out here, I kind of still want that to be that kind of space for me. But it's just my space, and so I enjoy that, because no matter what the weather is, when it's cold, you're still coming into this place in the dead of winter when everything's brown and dead outside. You come in here and it's alive, and I don't know, it's just, it kind of renews your spirit, and it's peaceful.